Hi everybody, and welcome to Fun Friday Drawing with Mr. Jason. Today we're going to try to draw a Lamborghini, which is a super fast, super high performance sports car. That was a request in Miss Viramonta's class. You're going to need a pencil. You're going to need an eraser. There's going to be a lot of diagonal lines, a lot of curved lines, so have your eraser ready in case you need to fix something. Paper is going to be landscape. That's wider than it is tall. You need a pencil, eraser, colored pencils if you want to color later. But before I get started, I wanted to cover one thing real fast. When you're drawing with me, I want to make sure that we're having fun. That's the main goal of this whole Fun Friday drawing, is to have fun. If we're getting frustrated or it's not fun, then it becomes something that you don't want to do, and I want you all to enjoy this. So when I give directions to draw something, a diagonal line or curved line, if you want to try something different, you can. You're the artist. You can make things unique and how you want to do it. You're the artist in the room. I'm giving suggestions. There's no right way or wrong way to draw when you're drawing with me. I have a student in one of my classes, when we draw something like an elephant, that particular student, he adds all kinds of extra little details, and you know what? It's amazing. So be creative, have fun, take chances. And last thing I want to say on this is, don't compare yourself to other students, and don't compare yourself to me. I've been drawing forever, or it seems like forever, so I have a lot of experience. And other students, some of you have been drawing for longer than others. So just be the best artist that you can be. Okay? So let's get started on our Lamborghini. And I'm going to let you know in advance, I have tried to draw this 3 or 4 times, and I have made a lot of mistakes, so bear with me. We're going to start with a diagonal line. That's going to be the front of our car. The back of our car is going to go back this way. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line heading that direction. I'm going to go back a little ways. And then I need to draw a semicircle where the wheel goes. A semicircle's a curved line that doesn't quite finish. So I'm going to go up and come back down. We're trying to pick up where that line is going to, that diagonal line would continue. And I'm going to go back a ways. Oops, see, I made a mistake. I want to same angle. I'm going to go back a little bit, and I'm going to draw another semicircle for the back wheel, and come back. This back part of the car, we're not going to see much of it because a lot of it's hidden by this part of the car. So I'm just going to draw a little bit of a curve. A little bit of a curve. I'm going to stop there for the moment, because I'm going to draw the top of the car and come back to connect to that. So we're going to move all the way back to the front of our car and draw a little line up, a little notch. Notch is just another short line going the other direction. And a curved line. Now what I want to do is I want to draw a curved line that goes, I'm going to draw a dot. I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to go up from where the wheel is, come across, and I want that to go to about there. So I'm going to draw a curved line to about that dot. Close. So now I'm going to draw the roof of the car. It's going to be another curved line, but the Lamborghini is really low and really sleek. So this diagonal line is going to go really low angle. Instead of a high angle, low angle. Then the roof of the car is going to be a little bit of curved line. And then I'm going to try to connect these two. So I'm going to come down and then connect those two. I made a little mistake there, but I'm going to leave it because I just got done telling you that It doesn't have to be perfect, so let's prove our point. It's not going to be perfect now. I'm going to come back to the wheel, and underneath the wheel, I'm going to come under this fender and draw a straight line across. That's where the tire is actually touching the road. And I'm going to do a curved line into that wheel well. I'm going to do the same thing here. Straight line, and a curved line up into that wheel well. Come back to where this curved line met the straight line. We're going to go up a little bit. And draw a curved line around there. Same thing over here. It's about where the curved line starts. Go up a little bit. Curved line around the wheel well. And we can connect those. Lamborghinis have really, really wide tires. Inside of this, we're going to draw the oval. Another oval. Very nice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come up from this front wheel just a little bit. I'm going to draw a diagonal line. And on the bottom part of this diagonal line, draw a curved line to here. Do the same thing over here. Curved line to here. Just made it a little bit lower. And then we can connect those two. Connect these, the curved line. So on this hood of our car, I'm going to finish little rectangles. Those are the headlights of our Lamborghini. Between the little headlights, I'm going to draw a curved line. A curved line. You connect those. That's the famous Lamborghini badge. If you ever look at it, it's got a bull on it. Now, under this corner, I'm going to come down just a touch, and I'm going to draw a line straight up and down. I'm going to draw diagonal, diagonal, and connect them. Over here, I'm going to draw same kind of line, diagonal, and this line's just going to go all the way to the side. I made a little bit of a mistake there, but that's okay. So do you see where that little top point is there? We're going to draw a diagonal line up, another diagonal line right below it, but this one is going to come all the way back I'm going to draw another line that's going to go back and curve up and meet that. Where this line started, we're going to go back just a little bit, and we're going to draw a rear view mirror, and it's just going to be an oval. And then we're going to draw a line behind it. It goes back and connects into that corner over there, and we can connect all those. We're going to draw the back part of our door here, curved line. And it's going to come down almost to the bottom. We're going to do the same thing right in front of the rear view mirror. And connect those. Now, Lamborghinis have big vents in front of their back wheel. It's to get air to their brakes so that they don't overheat. I'm going to draw a slightly curved line. Another slightly curved line in front of it. Connect. Connect. And just add some lines for grooves inside there. I forgot to add a line for that windshield, so add that. Coming back to this line because it's just hanging there. Come over here, diagonal line up, and connect this with a line that curves slightly down. And then up here, slightly curved line, down the back of our car. It kind of looks like a Lamborghini, but it's floating in space, so we need to make a road. We're going to draw a diagonal line going off into the distance, and another going off into the distance. And we're going to add some lines showing that the Lamborghini is driving. Speed limit, of course. My video is almost out of time, so whatever you want to draw up in this space, what you're driving by, totally up to you. You want to drive by the beach, or by an arcade, or by the mountains, totally up to you. Over here, again, totally up to you. What I want you to take away from this is fun. I hope that you drew it your way. If you want to add flames or any kinds of stickers on the car, up to you. You want to color it any color you want, you're the artist, you're in charge. For example, if I want to add a line there, I can. You don't have to. If I want to add rear view or window wipers, I can add some lines. But anyway, have fun with it. You're the artist. You're in charge of your artwork. And I look forward to drawing with you again when we get back from spring break. Have fun and keep drawing.